Hello everyone. Uh, Today we are going to talk about the Qbasic and how to use the input command in Qbasic. So for this video, what we're trying to do is we'll use the input command, and what happens with the input command is that you take an input. I'm just telling you what we're going to do, and then we'll start typing, and then we'll run the program. Um, we'll just take an input from the user from the actual run screen, and once that input matches, then we want to uh, we want to let the user go. I mean, that's what we want. Okay, let's start programming. This is my emulator screen of Qbasic. Let me have it on full screen. um, so first of all, and I'm using several commands. I'll keep explaining while I'm doing. So first of all, I'm using input. Input is something that you use in Qbasic to get some input from the user. So I have typed in input and then quotation marks. You have to write something that you want from the user. You want the request. It will go as it is on the print screen, like whatever I typed in the quotations. So I'm writing, please type, and I'm writing Bhatia Electronics. So I want the user to type in Bhatia Electronics. I'm giving a space, then press yeah, and then I have to give a comma and then give a string. So you have to use some sort of a letter which will take your input. So I'm taking it as capital A and then the dollar sign. I mean, this is this the sign number four for a string. So A and then string the dollar sign, and then so is a string, and then after that like the sign above 4, which is like an S, and then a line is there. So after that, once you've taken the input, um, once you have the input, yeah, then what we want is we want to tell the system that keep asking the user something until they give the actual input that we want. So we are giving it do, then press and enter, do loop until. So keep running this loop. Keep taking more inputs. I mean, keep taking some inputs until we get a match that that a string that is again a dollar sign and then is equal to Bhatia. We have to again write the a string value, then equals to quotation marks Bhatia Electronics. That's what we have used in the input. And I can do one thing. Um, let me let me remove the do from here. Let me do control X. I mean, I'm removing the do from here. I just want to experiment something, and then I'm writing do at the beginning. Yeah, and then let's click on run. Click on start. Okay, it's there. So it says please type Bharti Electronics, but this whole thing is there. I want to clear it out. But let me just type in G and then enter. Again, it's asking me. So until it matches it, first of all, we want to get out of it, then clear the screen, then get back here. Bhatia. I'm typing Bhatia Electronics as the system says, and then it says press any key. That means you can exit out. So before do, I just want to write clear screen. I have to do it every time just to make sure that the previous things are not there. So I'm writing CLS. Now my program looks like CLS clear the screen. Do keep running this do loop. Keep taking an input in a string value. This is a string value. Then loop until the a string is equal to Bata Electronics, and then click on run, and then start. Shift F5. So it says please type Bharti Electronics. This is what you see. So instead of typing Bharti Electronics, I'm typing just electronic. Let's see what it gives me. Electronics. See, again, it's asking me to type in Bharti Electronics. That means it's not satisfied. It's not match. Okay, let's check the how whether it takes in capitals or small. I'm just typing in small electronics. Again, it's asking me. So until you match with the requested string that you have entered at that time, it'll keep throwing something. So this time I just type in whole caps, Bhatia Electronics in all caps. See, again, even after doing all caps, it's still giving me that it's still giving me the input thing. So this time I'm typing Bhatia Bhatia, and the way it's asking me electronics. And once it matches with what it says, I written please type. Then this is what we used as a like for taking the input. Bharti Electronics here, Bharti Electronics there. Both of them are matching. Now it says press any key. So once it's done, that's what this program is. So in this program we have used clear screen. Do is for just doing whatever it will keep doing it, and then taking an input. Input is the command. Then in the quotations you have to write something what you want from the user. Use a string value, loop until, like do loop until, and this keep loops was running as you saw in that previous screen. Loop until the screen is until the string is equal to Bharti Electronics. This is what we did for this particular program. And in the next one, maybe we'll try to do something else. All right. Thank you.